Happy Wednesday. All right, you guys, I hope you can tell the difference. I bought a new mic, so hopefully this will help with the sound. And the next thing I'm going to do is either upgrade my phone or buy a camera. Hope you guys are having an amazing week and you're looking forward to the weekend. I don't want to do a long intro, so let me say thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my Ride and Die subscribers. And also, you guys, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're not getting my notifications, please comment below so I can check to see what is happening. But anyway, today we're going to do something really quick, fun, and festive. Fall is up on us, so we got to start with some fall dishes. Anyway, me and my sister went in on a pumpkin pie, and it was pretty good. We got it from Costco, and we split it in half. And these days, you just don't want to waste anything. So I had a couple of pieces left. I ate a few, and then I froze a few. So I decided, guess what? This is not going to go to waste. So we're going to make a pumpkin pie milkshake. Oh yeah, we can still do milkshakes in the fall. Let's just, turn it to the fall foods like pumpkin pie. I could say you could even do a pecan pie shake, just live it up with the fall foods. All right, so here I have it's really 2 slices of pumpkin pie. You can't do a shake without ice cream, so I got the vanilla bean. We're going to do it really kind of rich, so I got half and half. And also I have some ground cinnamon. I'm just going to put a little in because the pie is already really flavored, really nice. And we're going to put them in these beautiful sundae glasses, but we're going to call them milkshake glasses. All right, so let's get started with the ingredients. As I said, simple, simple, easy, easy. And this little blender here I got, you guys, I mean, it's kind of cheap. If I had a Hope to Die blender, I would blend it all up. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the half and half first, all right? Let's go ahead and add the half and half. Let's get that in there. Next, we're going to just take the pumpkin pie. Yes, put crust and all in there, all right? So let's just kind of break this up a little, since this is one of these cheap blenders. But I am working on getting a really good blender. Okay, let's put that in there. Can you guys see me breaking it up? And it can be frozen or defrosted. It doesn't matter. I might have to do 2 since this one is so small. We'll just see. All right. Now let's get our ice cream in here. Let me see if I can get it all. There you go. Can you see that? All right, we're going to do 2 big scoops of this Haagen-Dazs vanilla bean ice cream. And you guys, why I didn't already have this pulled off, I don't know. But anyway, let me get this off because it's not. Okay, there I go. So let's go ahead. Here's the Haagen-Dazs. We're going to put 2. Now let's do 3. Because I want it rich, creamy. Yeah, let's do 3 big ones. Okay, that's a little too big. Can you guys see that? So I'm going to say 3 heaping tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. And then we're going to add just a little cinnamon to kind of kick it up. Let me show you guys. All right, that's the ice cream. Okay, can you see that? All right, I'm finna blend it up. And I know you guys don't want to hear it, so I'll come back once it's blended up. All right, you guys, look at this. And it has some nice pieces of the pumpkin pie in it. And I tell you, I just thought about it. Do this with an apple pie. Oh my Lord. But this is our pumpkin pie milkshake. So when I'll come back, I'll show you the final product and presentation of our fall shake. I'll be right back.